Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to turn off notification in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to turn off notification in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. After click on settings. Now scroll down. After click on set settings. Now scroll down and here fourth option notification. So guys, if you want to off notification, so slash toggle off position, that is, and if you want to on, so slash toggle on position, and if you want to off notification, so slash toggle off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off notification in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.